Hello, good morning students. Today my video of class 7 mathematics. We will continue the exercise 2a. In my previous video, I have already solved question from 1 to 7. Now in today's video, we will start from question number 7 of the same exercise. In question number 7, it is given that, in question number 8, 7 already we have solved. In question number 8, it is given that Anita bought 3 whole 3 by 4 kg apples. Apples bought by Anita. Bought by Anita. Equal to 3 whole 3 by 4 kg. That is equal to 4 3 at 12 3 15 by 4 kg. Okay. And 4 whole 1 by 2 kg guava. Guava bought by Anita. That is 4 whole 1 by 2 kg. 4 to 8 1 9 by 2 kg. Then here the question is, what is the total weight of fruit? Therefore, total weight of fruit is equal to total weight of fruit, that will be equal to 15 by 4 kg plus 9 by 2 kg. Now here we have to take the LCM. The LCM will be 4 here. 4 1 is 4, 15 1 is 15, and 2 2 is 4, 9 2 is 18. The sum of 18 and 15 is 33 by 4 kg, that is equal to 8 whole 1 by 4 kg. That's our answer. Now moving on, next question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 15 whole 3 by 4 centimeter long and 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter wide. So the next question is, length of rectangular sheet, that is 15 whole 3 by 4 centimeter. 15 4 is 60 and 3, 63 by 4 centimeter. And breadth of a rectangular sheet, that is 12 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. 12 2 is 24 and 1, 25 by 2 centimeter. Now in question it has to be asked, find its perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangular sheet, that is 2 into length plus breadth. 2, the length is here 63 by 4 centimeter and the breadth is here 25 by 2 centimeter. So we will take the LCM here. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 1 is 4, 63, and 2 2 is 4, 25 2 is 50. Now we will reduce the terms here. 2 2 is 4, 63 and 15 113 by 2 centimeter. Now we have to convert in a mixed fraction, 56 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. Now moving on, next question, question number 10. In question number 10, a picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Width of picture. 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter. That is 7 5 is 35 and 3 38 by 5 centimeter. How much should it trim to fit a frame 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter wide? What is the width of frame? The width of frame is equal to 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter. 10 7 is 70 and 3, 73 by 10 centimeter. Now this is the side of picture and this is the side of frame. So here we have to trim the picture so that in such a way that it will be well fitted in the frame. So the picture should be trimmed picture should be trimmed is equal to width of picture. Width of picture minus width of frame. Width of frame. So width of picture is 38 by 5 centimeter and width of picture is 73 by 10. Now I will take LCM here. The LCM will be 10, 5 2 is 38, 2 is 76, 10 1 is 10, 73 1 is 73. So the required trimming is here 3 by 10 centimeter. Now question number 11 and 12 both are same. So we look here the question number 12. In question number 12, what should be added to 7 hole 4 by 15 to get 8 hole 2 by 5? For that, whatever number we have to get, from that number we have to subtract the given number. Required number equals to 8 hole 2 by 5 that we have to get, and the number is given what we have to add 7 hole 4 by 15. So from getting number we have to subtract the given number. Now solving the terms here, 8 5 is 40 and 2 42 by 2 5, 15 7 is 105 and 4 109 by 15. Now taking the LCM here, the LCM will be 15, 5 3 are 15, 42 3 are 126, 15 1 is 15 109, 17 by 15 that is 1 whole 2 by 15. Okay. Now moving on next question, question number 13. In question number 13, a piece of wire 3 hole 3 by 4 meter long. Length of wire is here 3 hole 3 by 4 meter, that is 15 by 4 meter, is cut into two pieces. Long broke into two pieces. The length of one piece of wire, that is equal to 1 hole 1 by 2 meter, that is 3 by 2 meter. How long is the other piece? How will find the length of other piece? To finding the length of other piece, we have to subtract the first piece from the total length of the wire. So the length of other piece it is equal to length of wire minus length of one of its piece, length of one of its piece. So the total length of wire is 15 by 4 meter and the length is here, one of its piece is 3 by 2 meter. Now here you have to subtract for finding, here you have to subtract the both of the fractions to finding the answer. Now next question, a film show lasted for 3 whole 2 by 3 hours. What is the total duration of movie? Total duration of film, that is 3 whole 2 by 3 hours. 3 3 9 to 11 by 3 hours. Okay. Out of this time, 1 whole 1 by 2 hours was spent on advertisement. Time is spent on advertisement. What is the time spent on advertisement? 1 whole 1 by 2 hours, that is 3 by 2 hours. Okay. Now in the question it is asked, what was the actual duration of film? Therefore actual duration of film is equal to total duration of film and from this value we have to subtract the time spent on advertisement. So here the total duration of film is 11/3 hours and the time spent on advertisement is 3/2 hours. So here getting the actual duration of film we have to subtract the values. That you have to do by yourself. Now moving on next question, question number 15 here. In question number 15, of 2/3 and 5/9, which is greater than by how much? Of 2/3 and 5/9, which is greater than by how much? For that we have to compare the both fraction. Here we are comparing the fractions by cross multiplication method. 9 2s are 18 here and 3 5s are 15 here. So 18 is greater here, therefore 2/3 is greater than 5/9. But one more part of the question is by how much. So their difference is equal to 2/3 minus 5/9. Now we are taking LCM here. The LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 3 3 are 9, 2 3 are 6. 9 1 are 9. 1/9. Therefore 2/3 is greater than 5/9 by 1/9. Okay, and the last question of this exercise is question number 16. The cost of a pen is 16 whole 3/5. Cost of pen is rupees 16 whole 3/5. That is 80. 16 5 is 80 and 3, 83/5 rupee. Okay, and that of pencil is cost of pencil rupees 4 whole 3/4 means rupees 19/4. Okay, which cost more and by how much? So here we have to solve the question in the same as 15. First we have to compare both of the fractions and we have to subtract the value of the smaller fraction from the greater fraction. First we have to compare the values of both of the fraction. After that, from the greater fraction we have to subtract the lower fraction. Then we will get the difference. What is the difference between these two fractions? Okay. Now this way you complete your exercise. In my next video we will solve the next exercise 2b. Thank you for watching.